Okay.
All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray this down using brake cleaner. So this stuff I get right from the parts store down the street. This cleans it up pretty well, and it dries really, really quickly, so I don't have to wash the whole area. And I'm not going with too much overlap here, so when I put my material down, it's gonna cover a lot. Now, the other thing you'll need is a little razor blade. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut to the area that you need, and it looks like I'll be able to make a cut here. And a cut around the middle. This way I don't waste my material. So now that that's taken care of, I can go ahead and start to put my material down. As you can see on the backing, this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like, if you've ever worked with fiberglass, it's like fiberglass resin and all that combined into one. So you can use this for bodywork too. You put this right here, right there. I'm gonna put this right there in the middle, and I'm gonna get this nice and flat. So when I flip this upside down, I'll be able to use that other piece that I cut on the other side. Right here, what I'm going to do is put this right on top, and it's going to suck right down onto that adhesive that's already there. So now, I'm going to hopefully have an easy time taking this off, see? So this piece now, with the adhesive, is going to go underneath. It's going to look nice too. And that goes right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this back up. I'm going to press it together. I'm going to get that sandwich motion going. And what this is going to do is that is going to create a nice firm seal. And that is not going to be penetrated by anything. Really. It is going to be a nice firm seal. It's going to keep it all together, and as you can see right here, as you can see with the video, this is a nice strong adhesive, and when these things come together, they don't want to come apart. When you go adhesive to adhesive, this stuff does not want to peel apart. It doesn't want to come off, which is what you want. It creates a nice seal. It's going to be nice and smooth. It's going to look nicer. This is going to be underneath the machine, so it's not going to, you know, you're not going to see it anyways, but look how strong that is. I mean, I can try and punch this thing, and I'm not getting through. All right. Other than that, I don't think there's much else. I will see you guys in the next video.